Let's take a look at this problem and see what's going on. We are given the function of revenue. Where that comes from, we do not know. It's just given to us, and they want to know average revenue. Well, average revenue, which has a little bar on top, is defined to be the revenue divided by the items. I guess that kind of makes sense because um, you divide by how many you have. So that would be the average revenue. If you have 10, you divide by 10. Okay, fine. So we have to find that for this problem. So the average revenue in this case would be 35x to the 9/10 over x. Now, that's going to be an algebra exponent rule. So with that, we have 9/10 minus 1. There's an exponent of 1. So I could call that 10 over 10, which gives me negative 1/10. So that looks like that's 35x to the negative 1/10. Okay, so that's the average revenue, but it wants the derivative of the average revenue. Okay, so we need to take the derivative of this. So let's see what we can get. We still have that 35. The negative 1/10 comes down, x, and then we need to do exponents again. This time we're going to subtract 1, which is 10 over 10, and that gives us negative 11/10. Negative 11/10. And it looks like I can do some reducing because that is 7 fives and that is 2 fives. And it's going to be negative because of the negative exponent over here. So I think that's it. Negative 7 halves x to the negative 11/10. So that's how the average revenue is changing in general. But then it says if 177 belts have been produced. So in that case, we have to plug in that specific value. So that's going to be negative 7 halves, 177 belts to the negative 11/10. All right, let's see what we get. Pull up my calculator. Negative 7 halves, 177 to the negative 11/10. And I get 0.0117, and they got 0.118, so they're just rounding. Okay. Okay. Hopefully that helps.